My boss would not want to see this. So I work at Chick-fil-A, and if I showed my boss at Chick-fil-A, it is now recording. Yeah. Okay. So we're going to be practicing what we were just talking about with Miss Cash. We're going to be practicing with using arrays, though, to help us solve distributive problems. So we're going to start with doing 3 times 4. So go ahead and make yourself an array, and I'll be doing it with you guys to start.
Can you do it to all sides of us?
What do you mean? Oh, write it in front of you so that you can see it? Yeah. Yeah, but this is easier for him to see over there.
Oh, I already know what it is.
Yes. You're going to know the answer to this problem because this is one that we've practiced.
And no looking at your face.
We've practiced this problem a bunch already, but we're just using this to show us how we can use the distributive property to help us solve problems using arrays. Okay? So I'm going to model it for you first, and then yes, it is 12. So I'm going to model the problem for you first, and then we'll do something together, and then I'll give you your own ones to do. Okay? So I'm trying to solve 3 times 4. Now let's say maybe I don't know what 3 times 4 is, but I know if I break this up, I could then have 3 times 2, and I know that 3 times 2 equals 6, so this then becomes 6 plus 6, and I know 6 plus 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, so I know the answer is 12. And this is a really easy, simple demonstration of what we'll be doing, but that just gives you an idea of how we can use arrays. How we can use arrays to solve distributive properties. So I'm going to erase this one, and we'll do another one. Can anybody? Thank you, Anna.
Oh, you can use mine.
Oh, thank you, Josh.
Teacher.
Okay, so we're going to do this one together. So as I draw the array, I want you to draw and follow along with me.
Follow along.
Follow along.
Oh, you said farm along.
No, not farm along. I don't think you can farm along. Does anybody have 2 numbers that we can use? Yes.
10 and 3.
10 and 3. That's a great one.
That's good.
10 times 3. It is 30. But we're going to practice.
Then just says
And 10 plus 3, you take away 0 and add 1. That's good. Like this one, you take away the 1 and add 0.
Yep. Miss Cash taught you guys that trick. Okay. So 10 times.
I don't think I was doing it.
You just know it yourself. Nice. Okay. So 10 times 3, and how would that look on an array? We have 10. And we're following along, guys. So, Josh, if you can make the array with me while we're doing this.
Oh, you want to make the array?
Yes.
How much are supposed to be on there?
10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Okay. And then
1, 2, 3,
you're
4,
doing that,
5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
You just gotta add 2 with the 10.
That's how I think of it too. I do my row of 10 and then I just add 2 in each row.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
Now, which number do we want to practice breaking up? The 3 or the 10? The 10? So how do we want to break the 10 into? 2 5s? A 6 and a 4?
2, 2, 2, 2.
Okay, you want to practice breaking it up into lots of 2s?
Yeah.
Okay. So we do our lines across.
Oh, wait. It's supposed to do line.
But there's 3 ones across.
Yes.
So we're supposed to do a lot of 3s.
Yeah, we're breaking it up into smaller arrays. Yes. this to catch up.
That's too close up together.
One of the perks of using expo markers, you can easily erase and rewrite things.
Okay, this is not bad. No, I'm gonna try to see that so I can try this one. No.
Oh, this one?
That just makes it wet.
It does.
But that's okay. Thank you.
Mm-hmm.
Done.
Too close up.
You're doing yours. Thank you for waiting patiently, Josh. And remember, Paisley, we're breaking it up into twos. So you should be drawing a line every two. So you say 1, 2, and then draw a line. 1, 2,
1, 2.
1. No, that's one row.
Oh, I know you do that.
No. So we're breaking it up into, these are the columns and these are the rows. And we're breaking it up into groups of 2 rows. So here, 1 row, 2 rows, and 2. Okay?
1, 2. 1,
Mhm.
1, 2. 1, 2.
Yep. Okay. So now that we're all here, these are all now smaller arrays that look like.
That's you, that's me, that's Anna, that's Josh.
So this is how all of the smaller arrays look. Josh? Everyone's caught up now, so we're ready to move on to the next portion of the lesson. Okay? So this is what each of these smaller arrays look like.
Why are we supposed to have 4?
You're supposed to have 5. Here, I'll if you want, I can erase this for you and draw it for you real quick so you can be with the rest of the class. There you go. No, yours is good. Yeah. Okay. So, does anybody know how many are in each of these smaller arrays now? Yes. Yes.
2? Yeah.
Does that make sense? And then put the products down
Answer?
here and
Yeah.
then add them together.
Awesome. So what's 2 times 3?
Mine's dried out.
I have this green one that might work. Okay, so 2 times 3. And how much is that, guys?
6.
Yep. So these are all now 2 times 3.
What's 2 times 2?
2 times 2.
Yeah.
How much do you think 2 times 2 is?
4.
Yep. Which means these all now equal 6.
You only wrote 1. You added the number, you just didn't put the 1 there. I mean, you wrote 1 instead of the answers. And then do the second. Nice job.
For
Yeah.
fall break, I got to go to a movie theater.
That's awesome. I haven't been to a
For
movie
fall
theater
break,
forever.
I get to go to Disney.
I
You mean for Thanksgiving break?
No,
Oh.
for actual fall break.
For fall break, you got to go to Disney.
Mhm.
Nice. Okay. So now we can add all of these sixes together.
I was supposed to go to Disney, but then my mom said it shut down.
Yeah, that happened when COVID first started.
No, it was not shut down.
It was initially, but
And then
it's been reopened.
They painted it and like it was, and now it's gold.
Mm-hmm.
it's now like it's Disney 50. You're like that.
So we were able to break up 10 times 3 into 6 plus 6 plus 6 plus 6 plus 6. So does anybody know how much this is now?
One.
12. It'll be 30.
Yep.
Yes.
Because then if we actually group to 6, 12 plus 12.
Plus
then
6.
20 would plus 6, but 12 plus 12 would equal 23. But we still have the 6 left, so it would be 30.
Yep. It's a great use of grouping. Okay. So now that we've done one of these together, I'm going to let you guys do some now. And for this, we're actually going to use the die so that we can get some nice random numbers, okay? We're going to roll the die. And our first number is 3. So our raise, yes please. So our is going to be 3 times 6. Okay? So using that method.
Is this a race?
Yes, we're using a raise again.
Is it like we're supposed to win?
Oh no, it's not a race. We're using a raise. So you're all working at your own individual pace. But you know the past couple of days we were using flashcards to race with math facts. But right now we're just practicing distributive property. Okay? So using that method I just showed you guys, we're going to write out an array.
That's my answer.
That's awesome, Josh. Can you show me your answer in the form of arrays that we've been working with?
Can I do the stars?
Yeah, you can use stars. I just use blue and gold dots.
There. No.
And big. Why haven't you gone to the movies? It's open. And you don't have to wear masks.
I just haven't gone.
And
The Thacker, this is the
and they
answer.
make the popcorn more buttery than masks.
That's such a nicely written cake.
Please sit down.
If you told me to sit down, then you gotta sit down.
So what should you do next?
You have to sit down.
You got your arrays set up and you've broken them up.
Yes, ma'am. Oh, was it supposed to be ma'am?
Yeah, this is where like you've broken this. We've broken 3 times 6 into 3 times 2, 3 times 3s. Yeah,
That would equal 18.
it does equal 18. Good job, Josh.
So,